Hey guys, so here's a fan I got earlier today. Habitat. Got brand new in the box. It is a 52-inch Kenmore Sears ceiling fan. It's an antique brass. Has a little wood pull chain. I just put it up just a second ago. And I unboxed it. I'll put the, I guess, at the end of the video whenever I unboxed it, but here it is. I believe these fans are closely tied in with Forever Fan because they look kind of similar, in my opinion. But here's full chain. Has high gloss oak to high gloss cherry up there. Here's top. This fan is from April of 1996, so it's almost 28 years old. Yeah, it does have a couple paint job fixes up that needs, like right there, and a couple on the blades are a little scratched up, but yeah. Turn on the low. This thing actually has a kind of a sorta, I want to say fast low, sorta, just a little bit. It's a little buzzy. It's blowing a decent amount of air already. There's low, move it up to medium. That's where it picks up speed a little bit. This fan is pretty fast for it being 52 inches. It does have a slight little wobble to it, but it's nothing really that bad. And I forgot to mention it has the wingtip blades at the end. I never really knew that Kenmore really made ceiling fans. I knew that they made desk fans, but I never really knew that much about ceiling fans that they made. I'm fairly sure there's the quick connect here, just by a little bit. This one sits a little bit higher than that one. That one sits lower. The high. Now this is where it goes crazy. It flies. Helicopter going off. Whee. Jeez, it goes fast. There's off. So yeah, that is a 52-inch Kenmore ceiling fan. I don't know the model name. If I do find it out, I'll put it on the title, but I don't know. Yep, that's it. Bye. Hey guys, here's a fan I just got today. It's a Kenmore ceiling fan, new in box. I'm gonna open it up. First I'll show you the box. It's really cool. I like this kind of like font look. It's kind of 80s. It's an antique brass, high gloss blades. Looks like it has the oak and then the cherry like kit. There's the instructions. Inside, and then side back there. Just another on the front. Got this for $25 at Habitat. I hate this packaging stuff. So, right here, there's the instructions. Just the front of it. Here's the blades. Right here. Here's a balancing kit and some screws for the blade brackets, the blades. Here's a little pull chain. Right here, here's the mounting bracket with some screws, it looks like. Under here, we have the motor right here. It's a huge motor housing, actually. A big one. Oopsies. But here's the plate brackets. Right here. There's a down rod. Looks like it just has one down rod length, I think. Yeah. Here's the canopy. Here's the motor. So yeah, that's it. Probably see me installing it on, you'll probably see a video of it afterwards. This spot is gonna go where the summer breeze is right there. And I'm not gonna put it here where the Westinghouse is because I'm probably gonna take that down, and I'm thinking about putting up my Panama 5 over there. Gonna assemble it for the wall control so I can put an IntelliTouch fan back up here. So yeah. That's what I'm going to put over there. So yeah, that's it. Bye.